Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Johnny Mac, and we're going to dive into a mustard BBQ sauce. Yes, a Carolina Gold barbecue sauce. Buckle up, let's go. Alright, so you've got that grill stoked up or that smoker ready to go. It's time to make the BBQ sauce. Grab a mixing bowl and yellow mustard of your choice. Throw in 1 cup, that's about 230 grams. To this, add 1/4 cup or 57 grams of light brown sugar. Hit that fridge, grab a little ketchup, 1 tablespoon or 15 grams. Carolina mustard barbecue sauce has a hint of heat to it, so I'm going to add 1 tablespoon or 22 grams of diced chipotle peppers. You could substitute with the hot sauce of your choice. To round out the sweetness, 1/4 cup of honey or 75 grams. And now's a good time to hit that like button if you like sauces and gravies, and smash that subscribe button for more. Time to raid that spice rack. Throw in 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and a little bit of black pepper to taste. We're about done with this barbecue sauce recipe. Add 1/2 cup or 125 milliliters of apple cider vinegar and 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. Grab a whisk, give it a mix, and there you go. You have a delicious Carolina Gold barbecue sauce, a great mustard BBQ sauce. I would suggest putting it in the fridge for at least an hour, overnight even better. And this sauce works great as a base to glaze or dipping sauce. Put it on ribs, pulled pork, grilled chicken, knock yourself out. A Carolina Gold barbecue sauce is definitely an out of the ordinary sauce. What sauce do you find interesting?